We love you. What's up? Hi. That's where the timer is, Macy. So, when no one Charlotte wants to play, move out the way. This is mine. I'm playing Roblox today. And can I play, Lito? Sure.
Yeah. I don't really know all the buttons because I know.
Oh, this is forward. This is W. This is E. This is F. See that? Isn't that good?
No. Can I pick a game?
No, you can't pick a game. What do you want?
Wait, speed? That looks cool, but I don't want to play it.
Let's play Legends. Just kidding. Don't like it. I like it though. I'm playing not that. Do you want to play Bubblegum Simulator?
Nah.
Clone Tycoon?
No.
Unboxing Simulator? Please, just play his game. Look at that little happy guy.
No.
He's gonna. Fine. We're still recording. It's been 1 minute already. We're recording longer than that. That was like 2 seconds.
Yeah, we weren't even able to get on the game. We'll just tell her that.
Yeah. Let's make it 20 minutes.
Yeah.
No, actually 1 minute now.
It's been 3 minutes.
Let's make it 4 more minutes. 4 more minutes, right? Yeah, 4 minutes, right?
Yeah.
What do you want to make it?
What do you mean, make it?
How much? Let's make it 20. I actually want to play this. You never played it too.
Yeah. Have you?
Yeah, I love this game.
Can I play it first?
Yes, look at all my hats, boy. You click on that to... See? You just click on it and your character folds it. And you collect coins and hats. And then you go inventory to put on the hats and pets. But I don't have any pets and I'm sad.
Are you still trying to get pets?
I don't know. I don't really know what they're called. Coin chest! Coin chest! I remember this. I'm a box craver boy. It's already been 2 minutes. We'll do 20.
Why? I don't know.
Oh, I just crazy unboxed it. That's what I just hit. Coin chest. Don't you love Onyx? Even though it's not your pet.
Yeah.
Have you ever played with it?
What?
Onyx.
No.
Boy, if you don't put yourself down. Boy, if you don't. Just kidding, I'm going for this box. JK, that box is dumb. I'm going for this box. JK! Oh wait, I already ate it. Yum, nom. This tastes so good.
Can it be my turn now?
When this boy hits over here. Oh, he already hit over here. When I get a new hat, not this one. That's not it. When I get another new hat.
You fart.
No, that was Onyx. She farts really bad. Is that Charlotte?
Maybe.
Let's go down. Ew! Onyx did fart. It's been 4 minutes.
Shut up, Rowdy.
1 more minute, guys. JK, not more than 1 minute. I have 51K. How did I get Onyx! Oh my god! Is that you? No. Is that pet?
Could it be my turn?
I think that's pet. Wait, we gotta get a new pet first, right? After I get a new pet, and you could try it on. Ah! Wait, I thought this was... What, Mom? Someone's here right now! Where's the pets?
I don't know.
Partners! What is that? What? Pets. Where's pets?
I think you have to find them in the box.
No, I don't think you do.
I think you do.
That is dumb.
Tanner.
What?
Where mommy at?
Let's go. Did Mom get food?
Yeah.
Food! Don't worry, you stay there, Macy. You can play. Food! Mommy, here's that!
Introducing Little Caesars Triple Bacon Pizza. You get a large pizza with 2 kinds of buffalo bacon and ham. How good does that
Thanks
look?
for everyone.
Bacon pizza, only $9.
I don't know how to move.
What?
I don't know how to move.
W, that. This is how you move forward. This is how you move this way, this way, this way. And then this is how you like move. You click. You hold this in. Look. Hold this in and move it around. Like that's how you like feel. And then you click on the box to open them.
I know.
And you press D to open because I'm pretty sure. One for Charlotte.
I know, too.
No, it's for vacation, and my mom might get a little bit mad. No, it's fine.
I think it's time to go.
Oh yeah. Oh, we didn't even get time to do this. Look, I got a new hat. Where? I'm gonna look at the new hats that I got. Hat and merchandise. Oh, visit the wizard to merge some hats.
But we have
Oh.
to go to Charlotte now.
No, it's at least 20 minutes. Because that's not it. It took not long to get to 7 minutes, right?
Wait, we said we would check on them.
That's fine. Yeah. I just got another hat, but I can't do it. Hats. Which ones did I just...
How many hats do you
Level
have?
12! Which game? I'm gonna enchant that one, because that one's dumb. That one, because that one's... I gotta enchant. What am I doing? Was another one?
That was shoulders.
What? I can't.
I want to go to Charlotte.
It's fine.
What?
She won't even care.
I'm going to Charlotte. No, we said we would.
Remember, we didn't get to play the game.
Hey, I thought I was supposed to be playing.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Oh crap. Oh no, the shorter piece. Okay, you're playing. I have way better hats now. Let's see, look. You remember how to play?
Yes, I think.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Hold that in and then move the mouse. And then walk. And then walk. It's backwards. Click on the boxes. With the mouse. With the mouse. With the mouse. What are you doing?
I don't know. I don't know.
See that mouse?
I was trying to concentrate. Peter, you're interrupting me. I almost had it.
See that mouse? Click.
Yes.
And then collect the coins. What are you doing?
I don't know.
This is how you go this way. This is how you go forward. This is how you go backwards. You it again.
How do you go?
It's been 10 minutes. You really got to play that. Tell her that, right? You open this.
What?
You open that.
Type it.
No, Charlotte. For Charlotte. Well, what hat is it? How good is it? We gotta see how good it is.
Is it Carmine?
Ready? That's trash, dude. That's not even good.
Yeah, but it looks cool.
Yeah, but it's not better than these babies. That. And where's the other one? Shoulder piece. No, I want. What am I doing? I want this instead of shoulder. Okay, sure. Not quick. Level 1. Your turn. It's been 11 minutes. It's gonna be really quick to get to 20 minutes then, right? Bro, you could get 89 million gifts or whatever that is.
Break's
Look,
gonna cut it.
But what do you mean?
85 million for 7,000 Robux and 6,180. Play. Should we go get Charlotte? Should we? Because you barely got to play, right?
What?
You barely got to play, so should we get Charlotte? Charlotte might be inside. You want to go get her? No. When it hits at least 14, right? There's no hat. Run into it. What are you doing?
I don't know.
You don't want that hat anyways, but you could still run into it.
Wait, if there's a touchscreen.
Kind of. Yeah, but you can't move it. I can control your mouse. This is how you zoom in. No, the scroll. That doesn't do anything. Let's go check on Charlotte. Yeah. Guys, we'll be right back.
Yeah. In 1 minute, maybe?
No. Mormons for me and you then.
I want that one.
Yeah, you can have it.
Yeah.
Get pet. I want pets. We're finding out how to get pets. Where are they? I'm finding them. I don't think we'll go back outside, right?
Yeah.
It's 14 minutes when you were supposed to check on her or something. Hi, brother. Chief. Oh yeah, I left because it wasn't.
Right here. What?
I don't remember what the game. Do you want to watch YouTube?
Yeah.
No, I want to.
But yeah.
Guys, again, we're playing Murder Mystery apparently because
I want to.
you only have to speak loud.
And I want to. But I'm only playing it.
Okay, bye guys.
Okay. Yeah. How do you go forward?
They're plugging their stuff. I'll watch YouTube after this.